Girl Scout song says, "Make new friends, but keep the old." Girl Scout Camp is an incubator for pen pals and lifelong friendships. If your camper isn't used to sharing space with people who are different than her, this is an excellent opportunity to expand her understanding of what it means to be considerate and caring. There may be girls in her cabin who like different YouTubers, who wear different types of clothing, who are a different religion or from a different heritage. Tee this up as an opportunity for your camper to learn more about the world around her. Coach her to ask questions, to be curious, and most importantly, to be respectful when she runs into someone who's different than she is. Being open and curious maximizes her opportunity for friendships at camp and beyond.